Opting for the patient approach. Tolo goes to work in the post. Not quite off the window. Bourne, great find ahead, and Talbot hangs and finishes.
That is a classic fast break. Steph Talbot running the wing. And
everything going through Whitcomb. Turner with the hands once more. Basham, awaited reinforcements, will go herself. Beautiful basketball from Bendigo. Defense into offense. Borlase with a needed answer. 22 points last outing against Sydney.
you can see that Adelaide came out in a little extended defense there.
Oh, and the block over the top from Turner. Turner, extra fine. Bourne's there and fouled. Count the points.
Really, really great high-low action.
Wilson, hand to it. Still with the Lightning. Can they unlock this offense in the third quarter? Bendigo have executed the scout perfectly as Basham delivers. Talbot, short on the three. Lace this time.